everyone, and welcome back to Medley of Fun. Today I'm going to be opening these 9 slimes I have here in front of me. They are new at Walmart and they are very pretty, I think. And okay, let's open the slimes. Okay, the first slime that I'm going to open is this fluffy, squishy-like slime. It's supposed to be super stretchy, and it is pink, I guess fluffy slime. Let's cut that a little more. Okay. Oh! There is another plastic piece underneath. I got that piece off, and this pink slime, pink fluffy slime, is so soft. It doesn't smell, it just kind of smells like slime, just like slime, I think. That's really all it smells like. It is pretty stretchy, and I really like it. Okay, now I'm going to go on to the next slime. That one I really do like. Oh. Ooh, got that one out. That came out easily. This one is glittery slime, and it's sticking to the lid. That's okay. Put that over there. This one is, I'd say, pretty stretchy. It's supposed to be stretchy too, and it's purple glitzy slime. I really like it. It's so stretchy, and it smells a lot like glue, like slime would smell like. And I really like it, and it's super pretty. Got a ton of glitter. Okay, on to the next one. I'm gonna do this one. It's glitzy, squishy-like slime, super stretchy, and it is, I guess, yellow or like gold glittery slime. This one's like sticking to the cap too. That's okay. Okay, this one is like, smells the same, has the same kind of like texture as the purple one, and it is super pretty. It's got like big chunky glitter and little glitter, or like small glitter. Whoa, it's breaking. I really like this one. I'm going to open this one next. It is a green, or like a dark turquoise, fluffy slime. It is very pretty. And now I'm gonna open it. Okay. Oh my gosh, it is so soft. A lot of it stuck to the, or like is sticking to the cap. That's okay. I'll try to get some of it off. Look, it's coming off. Okay, that's good. Okay, here's the slime. It's a little sticky, but that's okay. It is so stretchy. This is the stretchiest slime I've ever seen. And I would probably never be able to make this stretchy of slime because I'm not good at making slime. Okay, there's that slime. This is pretty cool. I really like it. It's super soft. Okay, on to the next slime. I'm going to do this purple one because purple, fun fact about me, purple is my favorite color. And it just looks like that. And it is, I believe, yeah, it's fluffy slime too. Yes, it is fluffy slime. Oh my goodness, it's so soft. It feels, all the kind of fluffy slimes have the same texture, I think. It is very pretty. And the one thing I like about this kind of slime, is how bright the color is. It's so pretty. It's pretty stretchy. Okay, let's go to the next one. And this was like more of a purple color, I'd say. Ooh. Next slime. This is a glitzy, stretchy, and like a glitter slime, and it's more of a light turquoise color, I'd say. The first one came off the lid easily. These ones are like so hard, but that's okay. It is so pretty. Whoa. It's so pretty. It's almost like a blue. It's so like pretty. Okay. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, you guys, here's the next slime that I'm going to be opening, and this one is a little different. It is called a fruity squishy like slime, and it is a clear slime with fruit, like not of course real fruit in it, but little pieces of fruit in it. And now I'm gonna open it. So this one I'm very excited for. Oh, whoa. Oh, it's got some slime right there. Oh, it's got slime in it. So there's this little piece of fruit. And now I'm gonna open this heart. Whoa! It just came right out for me. That's nice. Okay, I'm gonna take the fruit packet, a little packet of fruit, and try to open it, and put it in the slime. This is pretty cool. It's got like dragon fruit, looks like kiwi, strawberries, no grape. There's no grape. Okay. That's so cool. It is so clear. I'm gonna pick some of those pieces of fruit up. Oh, there is one grape. Oh, there's grape. There's one grape. I like grapes. So cool. Okay, I really like this slime. It's super clear, it's super fruity. And you guys, look how much slime you get. This is only 97 cents. So if you do want this, go get it at Walmart. I really like it. This is one of the best slimes I've ever gotten. Like all of these that I've opened so far, I really like it. And yeah, let's go on to the next slime. Okay, I'm so excited because these are the last ones that I'm going to be opening, or the last two. And I'm kind of sad because, I don't know, just because these are the last two, but I'm really excited too because they're super pretty and cute. Okay, I'm going to open this one first because it's got little bunnies and it's pretty. Oh. Okay, they're like they're plastic little bunnies. There's two of them. They both look the same. Okay, now I'm going to open that one. And let's open it. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna need the scissors. It feels so cool. I'm gonna move this one so you guys can see. Whoa. Look how much slime you get. I'm gonna mix the little baby bunnies because that's what you're supposed to do. Little baby bunnies in there. Never heard of putting plastic bunnies in slime, but hey, kind of cool. This is so cool. It feels like jelly water. It doesn't even feel like slime. It just feels really cool though. The bunnies in my hand. So cool. Okay, now I'm gonna go on to the next one. And that is a lot of slime that you get. Really cool. Now I'm gonna go on to this Avalanche Slime. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Nope, it's already opened. Whoa! They all came out. Oh my god. Okay, this one's cool. And has a lot of foam beads. And let's try to get this out. It's going everywhere. It's like crazy. Oh, there's plastic. It's fun until you look at all the beads on the floor. Holy cow! Look at all these. Oh my gosh. This is like a lot of slime. And a lot of beads everywhere. I do really like it. This is like the best slime ever. It is so stretchy. Oh my gosh. Pick up some of the beads on there as I... There's so many beads on the floor. Wow. I love this slime. This is probably, let me get it off my hands. This is probably my favorite one. The one with the bunnies in it is so soft. It feels how to describe it is it feels more like a gel and like a jelly water slime. That's what it feels like to me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is all the slimes, or that is all the slimes that I had to open today, and I loved opening them all, but like I said, this one is my favorite. And if you haven't already, make sure to go check out our axe throwing video. That was an awesome video. I hit the bullseye. My uncle won the championship. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification bell. See you next time. Bye!